Hey Chu, looking at the list of expenses incurred and future costs for you in 2024, I'm feeling quite overwhelmed. Each month is costing quite a bit. It's hard to believe.
I don't really understand these numbers. Is there an easier way to grasp this?
I've prepared a chart to visualize all the expenses for you. Here's a video tutorial in case you want to create it yourself. First, we need to transpose this table into horizontal rows to draw the line chart. Select the table, press Ctrl and C buttons, right-click, choose Paste Special. Select the option All Except Borders, then check the Transpose checkbox and click OK. Next, go to Insert and choose a line chart. We may notice a gap between June and July. Go to the June cell in the Expenses Forecast row and add the value, which should be the same as the pet expenses. Finally, we just need to format the line. Add data labels. Delete axis values, and remove the grid lines.
Oh, now I get it. But, taking care of a cat is your responsibility, right? Just a little bit of responsibility there.
Well, I guess I have to work harder. Meanwhile, stay tuned, and if anyone stops by, please encourage them to like, comment, and subscribe if they find the video useful.
I'll consider it. But remember, if there are no new videos, I'll demand more pate.